Robinhood Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Robinhood and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform designed for beginner and intermediate investors who want a simple, streamlined experience. The app offers stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency trading, all with zero commissions. One of its standout features is its user-friendly interface, making investing accessible to those with little to no prior experience. The platform also offers fractional shares, allowing users to invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $1. This is great for those looking to diversify without a large capital investment. Another key feature is instant deposits, which means you don't have to wait days for funds to settle before making a trade. Robinhood Gold, a premium subscription, provides access to margin trading, professional research reports, and higher instant deposit limits. Robinhood's biggest strength is its simplicity. The app is clean, fast, and easy to use. Beginners can quickly buy and sell assets without being overwhelmed by complex trading tools. Additionally, the lack of commission fees makes it cost-effective for frequent traders. The crypto trading feature is also a plus, allowing users to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies without needing a separate exchange. However, there are some downsides. Robinhood lacks advanced trading tools and analytics found on platforms like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, making it less appealing for experienced traders. It also has limited customer support, which has been a major complaint among users. Another concern is the company's history of trade restrictions, particularly during the GameStop short squeeze in 2021, which led to trust issues among some investors. Additionally, while there are no commission fees, Robinhood generates revenue through payment for order flow, which can result in slightly worse trade execution compared to other brokers. Overall, Robinhood is an excellent choice for beginners and casual investors looking for a simple and cost-effective way to trade. If you're an advanced trader needing more tools, you may want to look elsewhere. Check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.